Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create another user account on your computer step by step. It is really simple, so let's get started. Click on the start button, then click setting. In setting, click on account. Now click on family and other user. Sometimes it's just called other user. Click on add someone else to this PC. If you don't want to use Microsoft email, click I don't have this person info. Then choose add the user without Microsoft account. Type name for the new account, add the password if you like, and click next. That's it. A new user account is created. You can switch to from the start menu by clicking. Your profile icon and choosing the new account. Easy, right? Now you know how to add another user account on Windows. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorial.